My research group and I are studying the effect of light on photochemical reactions. The key question in photochemical reactions is what wavelength of light is needed to convert substance A into substance B.
Christopher Barner-Kowollik is a leading international expert in photochemistry. He studies how light enables efficient chemical reactions and how these reactions can be widely applied. His research group challenged a fundamental assumption in photochemistry and demonstrated that the efficiency of a reaction is not necessarily highest where a molecule absorbs light most strongly. This finding fundamentally changes our understanding of light-driven processes.
One particularly important area of application is light-driven 3D printing. One dream is to be able to print so-called multi-material objects. How can we achieve this? How can we print different material properties using a single printing ink? And here, our realization that it's not the color of the reactant that determines photochemical reactivity for the selection of light color, but rather other parameters, helps us to continue developing such innovative printing inks. For me, the Humboldt professorship comes with a great deal of responsibility. KIT provides us with the ideal conditions to fulfill this role. At the same time, we want to use these funds to support the next generation of scientists in Germany and give the brightest minds the opportunity to excel in an intellectually stimulating environment. People who give their all every day so that we can unlock nature's secrets.